The jury felt this project was the definition of doing a lot with a little. It's only about 2,000 square feet. It's a rehab of an existing mechanical space behind a school into a series of interventions that create collab and maker spaces. We thought the design was handled very intelligently in terms of the choices of what to leave in the existing space, the raw, the patina, etc., which included these beautifully weathered walls and reappropriated found objects, and where to insert the new. So the new components were also very strategic, we felt, mainly millwork, smart furniture choices, and also a really great use of space with a programmed sort of triangulated space within the middle, creating this double circulation zone, which allowed for this layered spatial condition to exist within a very tight footprint. So we were overall just very impressed that they packed so much design into a modest project and a modest budget and a modest size. So congratulations again, Kaminski and Pew.
Congratulations to Kaminski and Pew for winning the Merit Award in the Interior Architecture category for the Office for Scout Ltd.
It was a wonderful project and a wonderful collaboration with a great client. And I'll let Whitney Jocelyn, the project manager, talk a little bit more about the specifics.
Yeah, I think it was a really exciting project. When Scout came to us, they kind of presented us with a space that was in no capacity in leasable condition, and that tends to be where they like to locate their offices, so they're not, taking away square footage from potential future tenants. It was such a multifaceted project, but it was really exciting, and they're a wonderful client, and they love kind of taking some risks and pushing the envelope in directions that you don't typically run into with a lot of other projects or clients. So it was really exciting.